If you're wondering how to use Salesforce for inventory tracking, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to leverage Salesforce for your inventory needs, but also learn a few tricks to maximize its capabilities. Stay tuned, because we'll be diving into a few strategies you won't find anywhere else. And before we jump into it, I'll mention that you can use Salesforce completely free with our exclusive bonuses. More on that in a bit. Now, let's talk about the basics of using Salesforce for inventory tracking. First off, Salesforce isn't just a CRM tool, it's a robust platform that can handle all kinds of data, including inventory management. The platform lets you customize features to track, update, and organize your inventory seamlessly. Whether you're tracking products, assets, or supplies, Salesforce's flexibility allows you to tailor your setup for maximum efficiency. Next thing, to start using Salesforce for inventory tracking, you'll want to set up a custom object. These objects are key to managing your inventory data within Salesforce. You can create an inventory, object, and define fields such as product name, stock quantity, location, and supplier details. This structure helps keep all your inventory-related information organized, and you can access it in just a few clicks. The third thing to keep in mind is automation. Salesforce's automation tools can help you manage inventory levels in real time. You can set up workflows to alert you when stock is low or when a product needs reordering. This makes sure you're never caught off guard by an out-of-stock situation, streamlining your operations without having to manually check stock levels every day. Next, let's talk about reports. Salesforce allows you to create custom reports based on your inventory data. Whether you need to know your best-selling products, track stock movements, or generate a monthly report on your inventory status, Salesforce's reporting tools are a game-changer. You can customize these reports to display exactly the information you need whenever you need it. The fifth thing is integrating Salesforce with other tools. Salesforce has a rich ecosystem of integrations that can connect with other software you're already using, like accounting or ERP systems. This makes syncing your inventory data even easier and ensures that everything in your business is aligned and up to date. Now that we've gone through the basics, let's talk about advanced features. Salesforce also offers forecasting tools that help you predict demand and plan for stock shortages in advance. By analyzing historical data, these tools provide insights that allow you to order the right amount of inventory at the right time, helping you avoid overstocking or running out of stock. As a quick recap, Salesforce gives you the tools to organize your inventory, automate processes, create custom reports, and integrate with other systems all in one place. It's a powerful solution for businesses of any size looking to streamline their inventory management. Before I go, I want to remind you that you can try Salesforce completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. This extended free trial will give you full access to these powerful tools, so you can see for yourself how Salesforce can transform your inventory management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out the free trial. Grab that link below before it's gone.